Unlocking the blueprint of a legacy. Have you ever wondered how a massive digital currency project prepares for its public debut? The Pi Network's legacy roadmap for the pre-open network period offers a rare glimpse into that exact process. This historical document was more than just a list of features. It was a detailed blueprint. Strategic steps, technical milestones, community-focused initiatives. It provided the core team developers millions of global pioneers with a shared vision, mapping out the journey towards the highly anticipated open network phase, where the Pi blockchain would connect to the outside world. This legacy plan is a document frozen in time, a snapshot of the strategic thinking that guided Pi Network's formative years. At its core, the pre-open network roadmap served a single, vital purpose: to provide a clear, coherent, and transparent plan for building the Pi network. It was designed to coordinate the intricate work of multiple teams and to communicate that plan effectively to a global community. The roadmap broke down the monumental task of launching a new cryptocurrency into a series of logical tasks and measurable goals. This structured approach made the entire process transparent and predictable. It allowed the core development team to meticulously track progress, ensure that different components of the system were developed in parallel, and verify that each piece fit together seamlessly. The absolute cornerstone of the Pi Network's pre-open network roadmap was the development of its core blockchain. This was the digital ledger, the immutable book of records where all Pi transactions would be permanently stored. The roadmap prioritized this element above all else because without a reliable, secure blockchain, no other feature could function. The plan detailed work to build the Pi consensus algorithm, based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, adapted so individuals could contribute to security from personal devices. This foundational work created a decentralized system both secure and accessible not just for powerful servers. The development process wasn't linear. It involved coding, iteration, rigorous testing. With the blockchain foundation in progress, the legacy roadmap shifted focus to building the tools that would make Pi useful for millions of people. A currency is only valuable if you can use it, so the plan detailed the creation of an entire ecosystem of applications and utilities. The two most important tools highlighted in this phase were Pi Browser, Pi Wallet. The Pi Browser was designed to be the gateway to the Pi ecosystem, a single application where users could access a world of decentralized apps built on the Pi platform. The Pi Wallet was another critical component outlined in the roadmap. The roadmap specified the creation of a non-custodial wallet, meaning that only the user would have access to their private keys and therefore their funds. A pivotal and highly complex part of the pre-open network roadmap was the creation of a robust Know Your Customer infrastructure. KYC is the process of verifying a user's identity, and for Pi Network, it was a non-negotiable requirement before launching the open network. The roadmap explained that KYC was essential for two primary reasons: to comply with global regulations to ensure the integrity of the network. By verifying that each account belonged to a unique, real human being, Pi aimed to prevent bad actors from creating fake accounts to hoard Pi, thereby maintaining the principle of one person, one account. The plan outlined the development of a native, scalable KYC solution that could handle this incredible diversity. This involved a combination of automated machine processing and human verification. Privacy and data security were paramount in the design of the KYC system. The Pi Network Legacy Roadmap was cleverly structured into three distinct and sequential stages. The first stage, the testnet. The second stage, the enclosed mainnet. The third stage, the open network. The phased approach allowed for methodical development, rigorous testing, and gradual scaling. The testnet was essentially a rehearsal space. It ran on a parallel blockchain where all transactions used test pi, a token with no real-world value. The enclosed mainnet represented a major leap forward. The actual mainnet blockchain went live, but it operated behind a firewall, restricting external connectivity. Pioneers who passed KYC could migrate their mined Pi to this live mainnet, creating a closed but functional economy. The final destination was the open network. This phase marked the removal of the firewall, allowing full, unrestricted access to the Pi blockchain. The Pi mainnet could then connect to other blockchains. Pi could be listed on cryptocurrency exchanges, enabling it to be traded for Bitcoin or fiat money. A project with millions of participants spread across the globe requires more than just a technical plan. It needs a shared vision to keep everyone aligned and motivated. The legacy roadmap served as the primary tool for communicating this vision. It consistently reinforced Pi's core mission to build the world's most widely distributed and accessible cryptocurrency, powered by a utility-rich ecosystem. It is fundamentally important to recognize that the pre-open network roadmap is a historical document. It represents a snapshot of the Pi core team's strategic plan during a specific period. Therefore, read it as a record of the past, not a binding contract for the future. The legacy roadmap's purpose was to get the network built, secured, populated with users, populated with apps. Viewing the roadmap historically lets us appreciate strategic trade-offs made in Pi's early years. That reflects a long-term vision focused on regulatory compliance and real-world utility rather than short-term speculative hype. The Pi network's pre-open network legacy roadmap was a comprehensive and methodical blueprint to a fully functional, pre-launch ecosystem. By focusing on essential pillars like core blockchain, ecosystem tools, a scalable KYC solution, the document structure, testnet, enclosed mainnet, open network, provided a logical and risk-averse progression. The roadmap served as a tool for alignment and transparency. As a historical artifact, the legacy roadmap testifies to the project's foundational principles.